Braun Strowman stunned fans by showing up on Friday Night SmackDown with a brand new look, and the reason for it might shock some fans. Braun Strowman has been mostly absent from SmackDown over the past month, but the reason for his absence is because he was working on his brand new, more evil persona and look. And when Braun finally returned to the WWE Performance Center on SmackDown, he debuted his brand new look, which included him completely shaving off all of his hair, as he is now completely bald. And he also had a much more sinister demeanor, and his new nickname is The Monster, instead of the Monster Among Men. And the most shocking thing of all is that Braun Strowman is now officially a heel, and his biggest rival, The Fiend Bray Wyatt, is now a babyface. The reasoning behind Braun becoming a heel is due to the fact that The Fiend is very popular with fans, and Vince McMahon believes that he will become even more popular as a babyface. Another reason why Braun shaved his head is because, like his father, he was starting to go bald, and it became increasingly more difficult to hide his bald spot when he was wrestling, as fans could easily notice it. But now that he can keep his head completely shaved, he no longer has to worry about going out of his way to cover up his bald spot. WWE is rolling out a new show to combat AEW, and it will be much bigger than the Wednesday night competition between AEW and NXT. AEW always holds their pay-per-views on Saturday nights. They do this so they don't ever have to go up against a WWE pay-per-view on a Sunday. So they chose to go with Saturday night instead. But now, WWE is gearing up to go head-to-head with every single AEW pay-per-view. The current rumored plan is for WWE to bring back Saturday night's main event, which would likely air on Fox, and it would air live at the very same time that AEW is having their pay-per-view. Reportedly, WWE will be paid a hefty price for giving Fox a brand new Saturday night show, as Fox is currently in need of new programming due to the massive delays in producing new scripted television shows. Fans were stunned when Asuka showed up as an entrant in the Triple Brand Battle Royal on SmackDown, but the reason behind this is even more stunning. Bayley and Sasha Banks were very upset when Asuka showed up to be an entrant in the Triple Brand Battle Royal, and many fans didn't believe that Asuka would win the match because she was already scheduled to face Sasha Banks for the Raw Women's Championship at SummerSlam. And with Asuka winning the Battle Royal, she will now face Bayley for the SmackDown Women's Championship, also at SummerSlam, which means that Asuka could leave SummerSlam as a double champion. Many fans have been wondering why this happened, and the rumor is that it happened because Vince McMahon is desperate to create interest in the current WWE product, as ratings are currently at an all-time low, and so far, nothing they have tried has brought back fans who left in recent months. And Vince is hoping that a stunning surprise like Asuka wrestling in 2 championship matches in a single night and possibly walking away with both titles is exactly what Vince believes could bring back some of the fans, because they want to see if Asuka can actually make it happen at SummerSlam. WWE has a big new plan to have fans in attendance during Raw and SmackDown, but they will be doing it in a way that might surprise you. WWE will soon be moving out of the Performance Center in Orlando, Florida, where they have held all of their shows over the past 5 months. And now they will be moving Raw, SmackDown, and all future pay-per-views to the Amway Center in Orlando. The Amway Center holds over 18,000 people, but sadly, WWE will not be allowed to have WWE fans to be physically in attendance. Instead, the plan is to have specially made video screens at ringside in the arena where we will see fans on webcams watching from their homes as they cheer during the shows, much like the NBA is currently doing. There are also plans to have WWE legends appear on these webcams, including legends like Hulk Hogan, Stone Cold Steve Austin, and Trish Stratus. Roman Reigns has done his best to be open and honest with fans about his life, but now it's rumored that there is one secret that Roman has not shared with fans yet. Ever since Roman Reigns walked out on WWE back in March, prior to WrestleMania 36, he has not appeared on WWE television, and many fans have been waiting for his return. But now it seems that instead of returning to WWE, he has made up his mind to leave the company and say goodbye to not only WWE forever, but the world of wrestling. And he will make this stunning announcement in the coming weeks, as he will tell fans that this is officially the end of his wrestling career, and he will thank them for their love and support over the years, and reveal that sitting out from wrestling has made him rethink his life and what is truly important to him, and he's decided to pursue other things, including devoting more time to charity work and helping those less fortunate. Roman Reigns has made enough money where he never has to work again, and leaving wrestling will not impact the way he and his family live, but it will impact his huge fan base, and he will make the announcement about him leaving WWE sometime after SummerSlam, and he will most likely do so via social media and not on WWE programming, as there is still animosity between Roman and Vince McMahon. But no matter what Roman chooses to do in his post-wrestling career, he will have millions of fans ready to support him in whatever he does. What do you think about Braun Strowman's new look and the rumored official end of the Roman Reigns era in WWE? Leave a comment and give me your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click the bell notification so you are notified when we release our next video.